Tonight we are at the 13th Hour Haunted House over here in Wharton, New Jersey. Rolling these guys in with our East Coast trip here for Valentine's Day. Nora and I have personally never been to 13th Hour, but we've heard really awesome things about the place, and we're super excited to bring you guys through with us tonight. We've also met up with Bryan from Team Skelegore. Also really excited to go through with him for the first time. Without further ado, let's get in here and get some scared. Bryan is filming as well. He's got himself a GoPro. He's got him his phone for selfie cams. Bryan gets to stare at the light in his face the whole time through, so he's gonna get blinded.
Bryan gets to see.
Yeah. If you guys remember from our ISP video, that makes it quite interesting when we're going through. So, brand new haunt, brand new scares. Can't see where we're going. It's gonna be fun.
Come on in! Oh yeah, let's do it. Oh man, I cannot see. It has to be my eyes, so I'm bumping into things. Yeah, we should try.
71, is that where we're going? Oh yeah. I want to go to the 70s. That's why they were playing 70s music.
Gentlemen, welcome. I'm Dr. I.C. Father of time travel.
Ooh. Current year.
I got stumped. I mean, this place of the holiday is rather embarrassing, and I figured, well, how does one soothe a sad, weary heart? Well, by sending you some victims back in time to meet my favorite murderers, the Haven family. You see, the Havens had a farm on this plot land a long time ago. And I'm going to send you back to my favorite year of theirs, their final year, 1971.
Yep.
That's right. Nobody needs disco, vintage candy. You won't experience any of that, but now some of you may die.
Not me.
But you know what? That's a sacrifice I'm willing to make in the name of science. Don't worry, I will be perfectly safe.
Time machine target destination 1971.
See you all.
System malfunction. Time machine recalibrated to 1971.
They still thought it was 2023, so the year was wrong.
That's what it was.
Don't worry, don't worry.
And are you sure? Yeah! Are we good?
That didn't go well.
Okay.
Good luck,
Groovy.
I think we're gonna need it.
Ivory. Oh my god. That's awesome. Oh, I don't trust you. What the hell was that? Oh, that's one creepy shitball. Bryan, I watched you. That guy's good. Wow. He's good. Yeah. What was that? Oh God! I think I just shat myself. Big pumpkin, everything's giant. Like the lanterns. Yeah, this is just the waiting line.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's what they said.
Wow.
This is like one of the most intense queue lines I've ever been in.
This is why we score on immersion. Like this is I mean like outside, it's a cool looking building and it's not a whole lot of haunty stuff going on, but like just because you have a shopping mall or something like that doesn't mean you can't do this. This is why we're looking at that, because this helps immerse us into what we're getting ready to experience. I love it. I love the sounds and the lightning and the willow tree. Oh, yeah! He is sneaky! Damn! He's got me like 3 times. What is he doing up there? Oh wait, there's a rose! Oh, there
everybody's coming out from everywhere. Like
I know.
over here, up here.
What do you think it's gonna be like inside?
It's gonna be wild.
We froze to death.
Hello. Snowing. What's wrong with her?
It's snowing now.
I hear.
All right, love you to pieces. Happy
Oh, yeah.
Valentine's Day. Are you ready?
Yes.
Please don't ever be gonna be.
Oh, I see an Ouija board already. Oh, love you.
Oh, look at the organ player.
Oh my God, that's cool. Oh, that is creepy.
What's gonna happen?
I don't know. Oh, their wallpaper is amazing. Oh, the radio's working.
Ooh, this room is awesome.
Holy moly.
Look at the ghost
Oh, I
room.
love
Look.
that.
What do we have here? Oh, I can't wait to skin you guys alive.
That's so nice.
I need new leather for my levels.
Okay, it's Valentine's Day though.
I'll take your heart and turn them into ink. Does that satisfy you?
Maybe. It definitely will satisfy you.
Where do you think you're going?
I have no idea. I can't see a thing.
You don't want to be skinned alive, Bryan?
Look, man, I've already got skin and I'm barely alive. Okay.
He comes way out, Joanna.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the big.
He tried to cut my hand off. He tried to cut my hand off.
I have come for your soul.
No! Leave our souls alone, thank you!
I love
I
it.
don't know if I trust it. That's great!
Oh God!
I love it! That one comes out there
Pumpkin
fast!
guy.
Oh, it's a castle!
Oh, it is. It is a castle. Thank you.
That looks mighty fresh.
Are you not hungry?
Nope, not for hearts. Nope.
We're not cannibals. Whoa! Oh, that's freaking awesome! Watch out!
Oh, squishy floors! Look out for the squishy floor!
Oh yeah, that's a really.
Don't warn him! Oh, it got quiet and bubbly. Ooh,
Oh no. They're gonna cook us.
that one is really up to something.
They're gonna put us in this stew.
Oh, they are, yeah.
I like the lighting in here.
Mummified some. Oh God, they've torn her apart. Holy moly. Oh, there's a big giant pumpkin. Whoa! Who are you? Oh, that's a tall pig. Oh God! I think he thought Tyler smelled good. I smell imminent danger.
Pacing.
She's mad about something.
She's got a cleaver.
Oh, crap.
This guy. He's wearing overalls.
Oh! Whoa!
Evil barrels.
Holy! Oh! No! That's not. No! I gotta keep those. We gotta keep them.
Nope.
Look at that.
We don't need
pumpkin.
That
I
was
love it.
awesome.
Nope.
I love it. Pumpkin.
Oh, the pumpkins.
Big giant pumpkin.
Big
my
pumpkin heads
goodness.
on the wall. Cool.
I want to touch them, but I'm not touching them. What?
She's
in the
done.
world?
We're in the
These
crib.
things
That looks like a
vampire in
vampire.
there.
Yes, the vampires.
It's the vampires.
Uh-huh.
Oh, shadows
Oh,
up
there's
there.
another one.
There's a vampire bride
There's a
there.
big one up there.
Going up a bridge.
Uh-oh. I don't feel it. Don't. Where are we going and why?
Ooh, look at this guy.
Oh, hell. Wow.
Yeah!
See, I knew it.
He looks very wrong turny.
He does, doesn't he? He come out of the mountain somewhere.
Answer the question, damn it! Is this
I
yours?
don't know. I don't think so. I think I got my gun.
Is this yours? No, answer the question, damn it! Is this yours?
No, that's not mine.
Stay longer so I can cut you up.
No.
Pig.
Stand still.
Okay.
Stand
still.
Against the wall and stand still. Oh
Oh my god.
Oh god, the floor is moving.
Against the wall and stand still.
Stand still, he said.
Which one of you guys wants to go in the middle tonight?
I'll do it.
You'll do it? Okay, let me spin you around this way, okay?
Oh god.
We're at the end anyway, so I can easy to grab.
So you don't actually put your back against the wall.
My.
Is this a Gravitron?
I have no
I think
idea.
it's a Gravitron.
He is mad.
He seems agitated about something.
Super chaotic. This is awesome.
Definitely agitated.
Ooh, look at that. It's like a conveyor belt of
Oh, it's the big
body
conveyor,
parts.
yeah.
Hi. I didn't do it.
Nope.
What'd you say? Hey, Cam.
She wants a Valentine.
Oh, he wants. She wants to be your Valentine.
I had an accident with mine, so I'm
An accident? Are you sure it wasn't on purpose? Okay, okay.
Let me get back to you on that.
It was an accident, okay? I don't know. Do you think that's an accident? Because I don't. Oh.
That's why I need me a new one, and you're just.
Oh my God!
The one you needed was at the very front of the group. You don't want. Oh, well now you're just being picky.
Where do we go? This way?
Where the hell am I going?
Yeah.
This way?
Now a little while. I promise. I won't hurt you.
At least
see
you have
that.
standards, yeah.
Like I did.
Oh my!
That was kind of cool when we came out there, like there was fog that came down in front of my face and my guy came out with a cart and
I
had
know, I
lights
saw
on
it.
That was crazy.
That was a good finale to that floor. Holy crap. Let's see the haunt. Oh. Uh-oh, I hear Mises.
Oh, look what's up here.
No! You have to stand by him.
There's Spidey's up there.
Here, I'll stand right here. Nope. Ooh, look at the ghosts.
Oh.
They have like real eyes.
Oh my. They do. They're staring
Ooh,
at
that one has got an axe.
Oh. Holy.
Ooh.
The heck?
That's a good one.
That was a good one. Oh, I don't know about that.
I'm not. Nope. Not staying. Nope. You're a little too creepy. Not staying. Nope.
This is awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Look at the windows.
Look at that.
These are cool.
Holy cow. Oh.
Boy, new friends!
Yeah.
That's
Don't
what
you
we
want
are.
to be friends with me and my dollies?
Does
Yes,
it mean
we
we
do.
died?
Maybe.
Shoot.
Go, Zoe!
Oh my
Cool.
God. Look at the bear next to your head.
I think she thinks we're the weasels.
Yeah.
You like that? I heard you complimenting me.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like the
That's
I
teddy.
love the
No.
teddy bear.
Yeah. Oh, that laughter is so
It's
creepy.
a baby, giant
Oh my
baby
God.
head.
Look at this.
It's not terrifying at all.
Oh, it doesn't have any eyes. Oh.
More dolls.
Ooh.
And I know they're static props, but
Murder.
it's this. You know, just keep all of this away.
Oh, that is really creepy. Oh my God.
Oh, look at
That's
the
so
creepy
creepy.
puppets.
Would you like to join us?
No, I don't think so.
You don't?
We're gonna
Why
pass.
not? You
creepy.
think
I don't want to be a puppet.
you don't want to stay with the dolly?
No. Oh, good God. I wasn't expecting to see that.
Oh my.
Right in my face. Ew, we're going into like some kind of black something. Look at this. Uh-oh, Joanna, it's
Looks like
taking
the
over.
darkness is.
Oh,
Spreading.
Look at that. That's
Oh,
gross.
man.
Look at the black.
Oh my goodness. Ew, it's even ate through the walls. Oh my. Oh. Is that the boogeyman? You think it's the boogeyman?
Yeah, it does look like that.
Oh.
Are you feeling the love yet?
Lots of it.
They're cool.
It's dripping from the
feeling
walls
it
and
all
the
right.
ceiling.
Very mucky.
Oh
Mucky.
my God. Oh, somebody's plotting
The
something.
music is building.
They're plotting something. Oh. Zodiac killer. Oh, goodness.
That is your eye collection.
You They do have an
quite a
interesting
collection, all right.
They're amazing.
Taxidermy deer heads.
You got Judy, you got Peter, you got Chloe.
Chloe.
You got the best piece of deer ass on this side.
Deer.
Man, look
Deer
at that beauty.
Oh, that's
I ripped them
beautiful.
all from them to
Oh. I'm
Still just stepping out on the show. Now mind your heads on this thing here with me.
Nope. I want to keep it. Oh,
Let's see how that happens.
Sweet fire. What clown took the guy's head?
Holy cow, that is scary.
They killed the ice cream man.
Look at that.
Whoa. He blew up the bridge.
Number 13. Zone 13.
Watch out, watch out.
Seems like a good time.
Clown around.
You are?
Watch out.
Ice cream. Oh, all the ice cream's melted.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of ice cream.
Ice cream. You scream. We all scream.
Oh my gosh.
Ice cream.
Oh, eating his brains.
What's your bet?
Hello.
Hong Kong. Guess what? Hong Kong.
Party bags.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
They got me.
Don't grab you. Don't grab you. Oh gosh. Oh, it hurts. Sorry. Uh-oh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. that one. Oh, it blends in so well.
Ooh, it's an exorcism.
Oh, she went right out of there.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know she was down there.
Yeah. Ooh, I like that. That scene is really awesome.